Humans have forever been developing and optimizing technologies through evolution by natural selection. By observing and studying the behavior of life forms for billions of years, scientists all over the world have designed the most sophisticated and powerful innovations. Some of the biggest breakthroughs in this era of automation have revolutionized the world we live in today. From game-changing applications in industrial robotics, manufacturing, maintenance, healthcare delivery, clean energy, building materials, to that giant leap for the stars, we've always come around the ways of nature. Changing the face of remotely piloted technology are automated and unmanned aerial vehicles, or most commonly known as drones. Before delving into the depths of technological development of drones, let's understand how this little machine hovers in the air like a honeybee. If you have seen a flying helicopter, you will notice that the air pressure created at the speed of its wings lifts the copter up in the air. Drones fly on a similar principle. However, it also includes wireless technology along with pressure and a whole lot of science. Simply put, the flight of the drone depends entirely on the speed of the rotors, in which the power shifts and drone keeps flying. The commonly used drone with 4 rotors is connected to a handheld controller on ground, which allows you to adjust its settings remotely. It's all a game of spinning the propellers on rotors by tweaking their intensities to adjust its height and speed. A straight push against the wind would spin it directly up in the air. The 4 rotors rotate with equal power to keep the drone stable in one place, with 2 propellers rotating clockwise and the other 2 anti-clockwise, so that air pressure can be controlled. Lowering the intensity of the front rotors would drive it forward, and the rear ones rotate with full speed to provide the push, while increasing the speed of the front ones would thrust it backwards. Likewise, to change its direction, the rotor pair slows down in speed and the drone makes a turn. And then, it's all in the hands of a skilled pilot to maneuver the quadcopter and see its magic through a built-in camera through a simple tap of the fingers. As elementary it may seem to fly a quadcopter, it requires adept knowledge to operate the machine you are commanding. Anyone could master the skills with hands-on training of the basic flying techniques. Amongst the wide variety of easily customizable drones out there, the world of aeronautic design has a lot to offer. Your Eye in the Sky, a multi-rotor UAV, is perfect for aerial photography and video aerial inspection since they give you great control over position and framing. As for the fixed-wing drones that use wings to lift off, they are able to cover longer distances efficiently and map much larger areas, as these UAVs only need to use energy to move forward and not hold themselves up in the air. With the option of switching to gasoline engine as an alternate power source, many fixed-wing UAVs can stay aloft for 16 hours or more. The single-rotor helicopter, as the name suggests, allows for very long blades which are more like a single spinning wing than a propeller, giving great efficiency and even longer endurance. Today, the world is witnessing the rise of drones ranging from microscopic to large scale. Not far from home, drone innovation in India has spiraled fast in the past few decades, with a gamut of industries brimming with the aspiration to reach new heights. Indian research and drone innovation institutes are also developing world-class indigenous technology with international collaborations. The outturn has been astounding.